My name is James Burns, Associate Professor of Electrical Technology at Johnson County Community College, and this is Heavy Commercial Wiring, ELT 220. In heavy commercial wiring, students learn about EMT and PVC installation techniques, commercial conductor selection, commercial enclosure and raceway requirements, and commercial distribution equipment and overcurrent protection. Here, they learn about heavy commercial grade electrical installations, commercial raceway system installation, how to bend EMT and PVC raceways using industry standard methods and tools, grounding and bonding, and commercial transformer applications. Students gain hands-on experience using earth ground resistance testers, commercial electrical raceway installation, manual and power conduit bending techniques, commercial transformers, and commercial conductor installation techniques. They are also exposed to common commercial three-phase power systems, overcurrent protection, panel boards, and switchboards. Class activities are reinforced with best safety practices such as lockout, tagout, and adherence to the National Electrical Code and NFPA 70E. Students that are successful in this course will have a solid foundation to begin a career as a full-service commercial electrician.